If you really are looking to start and grow your own online business, you need to look no further. Everything you need is right inside the members area and you can have instant access to it right now. All you have to do is choose the membership package that suits you and you'll find all that information right here on this page. There really has never been a better time to start your own online business. There's more and more people using the internet every day and technology is advancing so quickly, we're all walking around with access to the internet in our hands. So all you have to do to get started is click the Get Started Now button or scroll down to the bottom of the page, choose your membership package, and I will see you on the inside.